break here on Dynasty Central Hockey, and that's what we are ripping, because on Dynasty Central Hockey, we rip hockey all the time now. Does not need any introduction. It's 24-25 Allure from Upper Deck. 8 packs per box, 8 cards per pack, and you know what we're chasing? The 16-bit.
Bottom line, not gonna happen.
Not gonna happen!
The insert that I've been chasing for 4 years, and I am aching to get one in this one, preferably of Jaromir Jagr in that checklist. That would be incredible. But thank you for checking out this box rip of 24-25 Allure. Here we go. 8 packs, 4 packs first, sounding the foghorn, and then 8 more packs. Let's get ripped. We got Matt Boldy, Rob Tom Matchbox 20, a rookie of Jack St. Ivany, John Carlson base, Jonathan Huberdeau base. We got a colorful futures of Trevor Zegras orange. That's a nice little color match. We got a black rainbow rookie of Liam Ogren, another PC hit. And that's right, we should just call this Upper Deck PC hit for Dynasty Central Hockey. We got a red colorful futures on the back. Number 47, Connor Zeeree. Nice little color matching on both of these colorful futures. Right there. Nice to see. All right, next pack. Marchessault, Jonathan Marchessault. Mark Stone. Nick Suzuki. Bowen Byram. Rookie of Brennan Othman. Brennan Othman. We got a purple, blue to purple of Quinton Byfield. Blue to purple color flow. We got a black rainbow of Nikolai Ehlers. His neck looks weird, a little fake there. But then we got a green to blue color flow of Brandon Hagel. Nice little green to blue. Philip Kurashev. Kirill Kaprizov, I'll take that. Brad Marchand. Kyle Connor. We got a rookie of Luca Del Bel Belluz. We got a red rainbow of Sebastian Aho, another nice looking color match. We got a across the pond orange, Miro Heiskanen. And another color flow, red to orange, and that's going to be Quinton Byfield. All right, 2 Quinton Byfield's color flows. Mackenzie Weegar, Brady Checker, rookie Joshua Waugh. We got Rasmus Dahlin, Juicy Saros, black rainbow of Luke Hughes. It's a nice looking card. Let's see, a yellow, so that's what, orange to yellow or green to yellow. I'm going to call out Quinton Byfield.
How about new?
Adam Fox, orange to yellow, Adam Fox, and then a rookie right winger, red auto.
420.
Rookie red rainbow auto, right winger for the Canadians, Joshua Waugh.
Well, they can't all be winners, can they?
And you know what? I'm not too upset. I think he's got a good future, maybe in Montreal. I think he's got something going on there. But let's sound the foghorn and go into these last 4 packs. See what else we can get in this box, maybe. So here we go. Let's get ripped. Timmy Stutzla. D-Boss, Dylan Larkin, Noah Dobson, Mikko Rantanen. We got a rookie of Shakir Mook-Madulin. We got a orange slice of Kyle Connor, Orange Slice Kyle Connor. Card looks awesome. We got a Josh Doan red to orange color flow. And a blue across the pond of Miro Heiskanen. Blue across the pond. Clayton Keller. Jared McCann. Artemi Panarin. Alex Ovechkin. Rookie is Zach Dean. We got Black Rainbow rookie of Jackson Blake. Jason Blake's son. We got a blue to green. Nope, yellow to green. Shane Pinto.
Please get out of my house!
And a Spectrum Protectors of the Ice. Orange. Of Igor Shesterkin. Protectors of the Ice Spectrum. 150 out of 199. 150 out of 199. We got some stuff all over the card. Jeez. Somebody tribute my fucking card already?
No, it wasn't me. It was the one-armed man.
Alright, 2 packs left. Connor Hellebuck. Mason McTavish. Tomas Hertl. Vince Dunn. Rookie Maxwell Crozier. Black Rainbow Johnny Bedsheets. Red to orange color flow of Moritz Seider. And a Brady Chucker yellow to green color flow. Brady Chucker yellow to green color flow. Save that for my buddy Brad and his son. Or my buddy Drew Cup. We'll see who can fight it out. My money's on the kid. Sorry, Drew. Alright, last pack here at 24-25. Allure. What did you think of this box? Let me know down below, but let's go into this last pack of 24-25 Allure. And you know what? I haven't done it for a long time, so let's do it. Lights. Music. Slow roll. Let's undress this beauty in our last pack. Slow roll. Matthew, nice. Nikita Kucherov. Rookie, Landon Slaggert. Nathan McKinnon. Anton Lundell. Red Rainbow. Rookie Mason Morelli. Color flow of Brandon Hagel. Orange to yellow. And a gold glitter bomb of
I fucking hate you. I fucking hate you.
Phil Kemp. That was a last pack slow roll and a gold glitter bomb rookie of rookie defenseman Phil Kemp. Numbered 68 out of 199. Yep, not 69, but 68 out of 199 gold glitter bomb. Cards look fucking great. Unfortunately, not the amazing box that I was hoping it would be, but I am still happy with this box, and I love ripping Allure, and I can't stop, and I won't stop. So let's go over the sleeved up hits. We got a yellow to green Brady Chucker. Oh, red to orange color flow of Moritz Seider. We got 2 color flows. This one is a red to orange and a blue to purple of Quinton Byfield. And then a color match red colorful futures, Connor Zeeree. An orange spectrum protectors of the ice, Igor Shesterkin. Nice looking card. Orange spectrum protectors of the ice. A gold glitter bomb, Phil Kemp. out of 199. Just a gorgeous card. Jeez, these all look great. A red rainbow rookie auto of Joshua Waugh, right winger for the Montreal Canadiens. And then to finish off with a PC hit, black rainbow rookie Liam Ogren for the Minnesota Wild. But what did you think of this box? Smash like down below, hit subscribe, and throw me a comment. Love to hear from you, and thank you for watching and supporting the channel. Remember, happy tokes with your smokes and safe ripping. See you